There's a little sparrow sitting on the fence, and another sparrow joins it. I guess she wants to be fed. The other one has lots of grains to eat, and they are quietly, systematically eating together. Now another bird is there. It's coming out of its nest. It's gone inside. Now she's hungry, and look how beautifully she is flying. And she has joined the other two feeding. Oh, she is come to feed them. She got some food for them. It's beautiful, mesmerizing. Oh God, this other bird is flying away, and it's a slow motion.